know say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. I just woke up. Well, not just wake up. I've been up for a while, but I was still just lying in my bed because I was watching the snow. The snow is crazy outside. However, everybody's here today, and I decided that I'm gonna make something I haven't made in a very long time. So you guys gonna watch me cook breakfast, and we're gonna be doing kidney. Yes, I said it, kidney. So we're gonna do that, and I have some breadfruit I was just gonna look about. It's already frozen, so it may just, I don't think I'm gonna fry it. I'm just gonna heat it up in the microwave, and that's gonna be breakfast with some tea. Okay, and then we're also gonna look about dinner, and today I think I'm gonna do some rice and peas and some baked chicken. So I'm gonna have you, so today's gonna be like a cooking vlog basically. So you're just gonna watch me cook today. Alright, if this is something that you guys like, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you want to see more cooking vlogs. I will definitely do that. But in the meantime, go ahead and subscribe if you're new over here. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. And if you are a regular viewer, thank you for coming back. Alright, so guys, right now I'm about to set up the camera. I have this new mic set that my husband bought me for my birthday that I'm going to be trying out. So basically what it is, I have one, I think I showed you guys before, like a long time before. Let me show you. For the phone, when I used to use the phone, wireless lavalier microphone, but this one was for the phone. But since I stopped using the phone, I tried using it on the camera once, it wouldn't work. So he bought me the lavalier. It's a 2 mic, and it actually has it set up for the camera. Comes with a charger. This is the part that you would actually connect to the camera. This is showing blue. I don't know if it's something that needs to be charged because I couldn't get it to turn off. Okay, here we go. Green. So it comes with 2 mics. So what it is, this is the part that I guess you plug. I'm gonna figure it out right now. But I guess you plug this in for the transmission, the transmitter, I should say. So you plug this in here, and then you have the mic here that you just pull both of them off. Just like that. You have 1, you have 2. So cool. And then, so this piece, I guess you connect this to the camera, at the edge of it, at the top of it rather. You connect this to the camera as well. And then you also have you know what I mean. I can't think about it right now. I just woke up. So you put this in here, basically to cover the noise and stuff, like a soundproof thingamajig. And you put this in here, and you clip it on you like so, like that. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Alright guys, so I have it on and I'm just testing. Can you guys hear me? And I'm looking crazy, guys. Me no. Just wake up. But let's hope that this is actually working right now. Alright, I just tried it out. I just listened it and it's actually working properly. So hopefully it's clear enough for you guys to hear. And now I'm just gonna change my tripod and let's go upstairs and start cooking breakfast. Hubby's outside cleaning the snow, so I want to make sure when he comes in everything is ready for him to eat. So we're gonna cook some breakfast. Okay, all right. Okay, so we're all set now, and now we're gonna head upstairs and start looking about the kidney and some breadfruits. Okay, so who never know if we cook with kidney before, gonna cook it. It's basic, it's not that hard. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we have the kidney here. It's just 1 parcel and it's frozen right now. But we can't wait for it to be thawed out. So I'm actually going to start cutting this up and get it seasoned and, you know, get it going. What's up? Alright guys, so before I start the kidney, I'm actually going to start, I told you I was going to cook rice and peas today. So I'm actually going to put on the peas for it to start cooking in the meantime because you know red peas takes a while to cook. So I'm going to put on the peas first. So normally the kidney has pegs and you would actually cut it according to the pegs, but because it's so frozen, I'm just cutting whatever because it's really frozen right now. Alright guys, so as you have seen, I've just put on the kidney and it's cooking right now, so I just covered that up. And the peas also is being cooked, currently boiling, so we're waiting for that to be done as well. So I'm going to sit for a minute. For with the rice and peas today, I think I'm going to do some baked chicken. So I have the chicken already out and hopefully that's thawed enough, so I can start looking about that shortly. But I think I'm going to do that after I'm finished with breakfast. I'll see you in a bit.
Three hours later.